This one thing might make you a little bit faster on breaststroke, especially during the pullout. Here's the proof. We went to film our friend Mike. He's a very fast breaststroker, but compared to other fast breaststrokers, his pullout is not as efficient. This is our friend Dan, who has a good breaststroke pullout and dive compared to Mike. So we analyzed it and found that he has an anterior pelvic tilt, meaning this is what feels normal to him and what he does in the initial part of his glide after the dive or the push. This drags water and slows him down. There are a few reasons why he might have an APT, but after some research, we concluded that it might be because of tight hip flexors. This might be caused by too much time sitting, which shortens these muscles, or too many abdominal workouts that involve the hip flexors too much. It might also be because of weak glutes and abs. So we asked him to tighten his abs and glutes. This is the correct position for a streamline. I tried it and it feels much faster. Feels as fast as a bullet. So he did what we now call the bullet technique and immediately got better. However, it still feels unnatural to him. So now he has to do some stretches and exercises to correct this position. If you want to know if you have the same problem, do this. Lay on the ground and do a streamline. If there's a lot of space between the floor and your lower back, you probably have the same problem. Here's how to fix it. Stretch the hip flexors with these stretches. Hold each position for 30 seconds to a minute every day. Start slowly and stop if there's any pain that makes you too uncomfortable. This needs to be progressive and constant. In fact, it is only after doing these stretches every day for a month or so that you will see results. To strengthen the glutes and abs, you can do these exercises. Again, lay down on the floor with a streamline and contract your glutes and abs until your back touches the ground. Hold that position for about 2 or 3 seconds for 10 or 20 times. You can also do planks, tightening your glutes and abs, and start doing variations if it gets easy. Deadlifts are a good idea to strengthen the glutes. Make sure you engage them in the last part of the lift. Before you go, I want to invite you to be part of our swim team. That's right, you can now be part of our online swim team. If you are your own coach, like many of us are, this is for you. We have a new workout every day just for you. I will be doing these workouts 3 times a week and commenting about the workout. We have 3 levels of difficulty so you can pick the right one for you. Download it and take it with you to the pool. The first 100 people to use this coupon will get a 50% off their first month. That's 30 workouts for half the price. So go to skillswimming.com/swimming-workouts or click here. Thanks for watching. See you next Friday. Swim fast!